Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So I have two important messages for all of you. One is that if you have not shared the result with us, please fill up the Google form that we have provided. Sir, where to get the Google form from? That will be available in the description of this video, in the pinned comment of this video, on YouTube community and on the Telegram channel. Everywhere that Google form is available, please fill up that and share the result with all of us. And whether the result is positive or negative hardly matters, right? Doesn't matter, sir. We are with you. If the result is positive, we will celebrate, and if the result is negative, we will try to find out the reasons that why it is negative, and we need to rectify for the upcoming attempt. That is very important. Secondly, we are coming live for the post result discussion. When that live session is going to be? On today itself at 2:30 p.m. right on our YouTube channel. We are going live for your discussion, and we are going to discuss about the strategies that what you can follow further if you have cleared, then if you have not been able to clear any of the subjects, then how you should be identifying your mistakes, right? So all these things we are going to do in that session. Very important session that is going to be. So guys, see you at 2:30 p.m. live on our YouTube channel KSJ Teaching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you get all the notifications, because we are running a live batch also of costing, free of cost, and economics batches coming up, right? So see you guys at 2:30 p.m. Thank you so much.